In this video, we will learn how to make a Christingle. You will need a candle, an orange red ribbon, 4 cocktail sticks, sweets or dried fruit and some foil. First, make a hole in the top of an orange. The orange represents the world. Next, take your red ribbon and wrap this around your orange and secure it in place using some tape. The ribbon represents the blood of Jesus. Now, take the candle and wrap this in tin foil. Then put this inside the hole that you made in the orange. The candle reminds Christians that Jesus is the light of the world. Now, take the 4 cocktail sticks and push some sweets or dried fruit onto these. The 4 cocktail sticks represent the 4 seasons. Sweets or dried fruit are a reminder of God's creations. Now push the 4 cocktail sticks into the top of the orange. You now have your very own Christingle. Christians can take their Christingle to a Christingle service that happens during Advent.